You've said it before. You've said it clearly. And they crossed it anyway. And you're not imagining it. You're not being too sensitive. You're not asking for too much, but something isn't working. And it's not what you think. Here's what most people never get told. Your brain isn't the only one running calculations in that moment. Theirs is too. Every single time you set a limit and nothing happens when it's crossed, their brain quietly registers one thing. That line has no real weight. Not because they decided to disrespect you, but because your pattern told them it was safe to push. The brain doesn't respond to what you say. It responds to what happens after you say it. The world tells you that respect is something you have to demand loudly. Truth is, the people whose limits nobody crosses rarely raise their voice. They just follow through every time. Noise gets ignored. Consistency gets remembered. Every time you've been walked over, it wasn't proof you don't matter. It was information. It was showing you exactly where the gap was between what you said and what you did after. That gap can close, starting with the very next conversation. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't fix this by saying it differently. You fix it by doing something different after you say it. Here's your upgrade. The next time a limit of yours gets crossed, you do 3 things. 1, you name it quietly, directly. Not a speech, 1 sentence. 2, stop negotiating. No explanation, no softening. You've already said it. 3, you enforce the cost. Whatever you said would happen, happens. Not loud, not emotional, just real. That single sequence changes everything, because now their brain has new information. This line is actual. You're not difficult for holding your line. You're not cold for following through. You're not asking for too much. You're just done being optional. If this finally explained why the boundaries kept getting crossed, type 1 word below. Enough. Because that's exactly what you are. And that's exactly where this starts. I'm Kauru. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, like, share, and hit the bell icon. It will push the video out to others who might enjoy it. Take care. See you in the next one.